It amazes me, the people who at 18 know what they want to do. I'm always so jealous of that. I'm still jealous of that. I've always preferred being a jack of all trades and working with different sets of people. So that kind of did loan itself well to working in manufacturing. How it all came together, I think, was just very fortunate. I love working in manufacturing. I actually first started with Saint-Gobain when I was a junior in college. We're looking for 2 students from WPI to go over to France and to work an internship at one of the French Saint-Gobain factories. You know, working on engineering projects and being in a technical field, you're learning enough as is, but then to shift that to a different country surrounded by different people speaking a different language, different culture, I learned a lot. After that and after I was approaching graduation, it was a no-brainer to get back in touch with Saint-Gobain and see if there were any opportunities here back in the States. When I learned there was a plant here in Norwood, right by my hometown and right by the city of Boston, I was very excited, knowing that I might have the chance to continue with Saint-Gobain and stay a bit local. No matter where you go, you're going to run into diverse sets of people in manufacturing. Every day is different, whether you're in Norwood or whether you're out in Conflans, France. One thing I love about this job is that it gives you a little bit of freedom to get involved in things that you think really matter and to make an impact on the business, and that's something that's really great about working here in Norwood.